Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2021 Chrysler Voyager LXi. This is the rear entry. You can see with the key fob here I can operate both power sliding doors and the power rear trunk hatch. This is a brand new conversion. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. You see here on these clamps I pinch and I flip. Got a handle on either side, and again I pinch and I flip, and these clamps, they keep the ramps from rattling. They're a great design, and check it out. I can take this 34-inch wide ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry, so if you have a bigger chair, the rear entry might be the answer for you. Also, if someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out of the vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have about 4 more inches of ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain or maybe even snow this time of year, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the reasons I like the rear over the side, but we sell both, so if you want a side entry, give me a call. 800-pound weight capacity, 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and then 56 once you're inside the van. It does taper down to about 32 inches of width here at the base where the ramp sets. It has 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. And these are about a foot longer. The channel on these Voyagers are about a foot longer than both the Caravan and the Sienna. So if you're looking to haul 2 chairs at a time, this might be a good option for you. It's got the 8 tie-down points, upgraded Q strings. We throw those in at no charge to you. And what we can even do, we can put a 3rd row seat that flips down in here, so you can haul 6 people plus a wheelchair. We have flip base seats. We can flip up on their side up there to clear out that canal. My point is, let us know your measurements. Let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. See that little spare tire back there in the pump if you need it. It's all back behind this little case here. About 21 inches of room between the seats as they set. Got your cup holders in the rear. Got your Q-strength tie downs information there. Got a nice center console. Plenty of plugs for all your electronics. Dual climate control, rear air. Got your backup camera. The dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. And what you can do, you can operate from the center console up top here. Operate all those power doors as well from there. So when you get everybody secure, come back out. We reverse the process. Again, 1 finger. Very easy to do. Clamp it down. And you are ready to roll. With the power door right there. Quick walk around on this van. It's very clean. It's got the tinted windows in the rear. It's got the alloy wheels. It's got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. Nice clean van. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's perfect. There's a few small, I see a little touch-up paint right here where my finger is. So I hope you can tell by my videos, I am not trying to represent these as perfect vans, but what I am trying to show you, they're clean, they're well taken care of. And if I do see a little mark, a little scratch, I try to show it to you because I want to be honest and fair as I possibly can. I want you to know when this van, little touch-up paint there, I did see a little touch-up paint there. But when this van shows up in your driveway with our free shipping, I want you to say that's exactly the van Jeremiah represented in the videos. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video, not just a picture, a video of the VIN number. And you say, well, why? Because this little tag here, the sticker, this is almost impossible to duplicate. Seeing that tag, seeing that VIN number, it means this van is here with me, it's on the ground, it's in my possession. This is not some internet scam. One thing I forgot to show you, the tires on this, the Yokohamas, they're about 930 seconds. So they're not quite brand new, but there's still a whole lot of tread left on them. So matching Yokohamas with a lot of tread, tires shouldn't be an issue for quite a while. Okay, what we do with that VIN number, we do a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You can see no accidents or damage, last owned in California. Nice salt rust free California. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title with no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer's accurate. No accidents or damage. No open recalls, and it does show the vehicle went into service 3/16 of 2021. So it meets the specs to be under the full factory powertrain warranty until March 16th, 2026, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, look them up online. Check out the reviews and ratings. Find us on eBay, 1,424 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback, showing 100% That's a pretty impressive number there, if I do say so myself. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. First of all, make sure they are a real company, that you're sending your money to a real company. You can see us on Google here in Wichita, Kansas. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. And you know, I hear people all the time, they say they found a deal on Craigslist or Facebook. They buy from a private individual. They end up getting scammed out of their life savings and or by a complete lemon, or they end up buying on from one of these dealers with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews. And so if you want to buy vans from people like that, expect 1 and 2 and 3-star vans. Now if you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, give me a call. Okay, back to the van. Another great feature I love about this van, it's got the remote start. You hit the button twice, it'll fire right up. So whether it's wintertime and you want to come out to nice defrosted windows, nice heated up van, or it's summertime, you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van, you've got the option. Now the key, we do have 1 key. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we can sure do so. It has a power driver's seat, and as I'm showing you here, it works great. Got this cream colored leather interior, and I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And if you ever want to use this van for, like, say, non-emergency medical, you know, for your business, hit the off button there. And what that does, it turns the power doors off. So they open and shut quickly without risk of breaking anything. I mean, you can leave them power if you choose, but it's a nice option to have. The back seats here also very clean, super clean interior. This van has been taken care of. It's immaculate condition. We'll shut her down here. And another great feature I like about this van, it's got the push button start, meaning if the key is in your pocket, if it's in your purse, you don't have to fish it out. You just put your foot on the brake, hit the start button there, and the van fires up officially. And as you can see, on the dot, 41,000 miles, no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights, you know, none of that. We've got our backup camera here. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors and windows, and I'm going to show you those so you know they work. The power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Replace fluids as necessary. My point is, I'm taking them on road tests, check the tires. My point is, we do not just run these through the car wash and throw them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot, and I hope you can tell by my video, we're very thorough in everything we do. And I do see a little touch-up paint right there as well, so if I see it, I want you to see it. Underneath the hood, got the 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any fluid leaks, like oil leaks, nothing like that. No signs of any rust from being in a flood or being out north in the rust states. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it only has 40,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it hasn't been in a bad accident. They assume it has a clean title. That's the most dangerous thing you can do. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. That's right, I am sending you to the competition's website. Please check them out. But what I want you to ask yourself is, do they show you their reputation online so you know you're buying from a reputable dealer? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle with a clean title, you know, no major accidents, no flood damage, and none of that? Do they get on their hands and knees like I am right now? Do they even bother taking pictures, much less videos of the undercarriage, so you can see exactly what you're getting? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to going to show you exactly what you're getting, please, please, please compare me to the competition. And you know what ends up happening if you end up buying a vehicle that's got, you know, say flood damage or frame damage from an accident, or, you know, from flood? It may not pass inspection in your state. If you buy a van that won't pass inspection in your state, you just bought a van you can't even drive. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. And if they're going to ask you to spend $40,000 or $50,000, tell them get out there, put their heart and soul in it, make a video, show you exactly what you're getting. Demand a Carfax report, not some cheap knockoff. I spend thousands of dollars a month on Carfax. The reason is I want to know what I'm buying. More importantly, I want to know what I'm selling. Get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation, check out their reviews, make sure you're buying from a reputable dealer. And finally, demand a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. We stand behind our product. We make sure each vehicle comes with some sort of a warranty for your protection. So demand that warranty. Let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway give them some gas so you can hear them run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Chrysler home. We've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy, traffic permitting. I'm gonna pop it up to 70 miles an hour. There we go. It's just over 70. Steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. I got the cruise control set, cruise works good. Runs and drives like a brand new Chrysler, very nice van. Also keep in mind, we do have the factory powertrain warranty specs remaining on the van. We do sell long-term extended warranties, bumper-to-bumper type warranties. Those go for anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. They're good nationwide at the shop of your choice. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they've hidden in the fine print is a $500 administrative fee. They've got a document fee, they got a tag fee, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So once you add up the shipping, once you add up all their hidden fees, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees and the shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I don't know. I just know transparency in any business is key, but especially the used car business. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video right now. So I'm going to get a van a nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So once again, exactly what we're looking for. So if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if texting is easier for you, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my personal cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person and it's that super pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, you're sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, then reach out to me, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Voyager whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. Hey, push that like button on YouTube, we would really appreciate that. And if you want to give us a follow, you'll be the first one to see our videos as they come out and see our inventory before anybody else does. So give us a follow if you like. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory, check us out, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We've got detailed videos of every single vehicle, free Carfax reports, free shipping on the mobility vans, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country. So as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call today and have yourself a wonderful day.